Friends, Glenmark has made continuous progress in all its businesses, whether it is branded generics, the API, the drug discovery, or pure generics. We have strengthened our positions in all businesses. As we continue on the path of leadership across therapeutic segments and across markets, it's important that we build the culture of knowledge sharing across organizations. I am glad to announce that we have launched an initiative called PRISM, synergizing knowledge and ideas at a common platform. PRISM has been conceptualized with the basic premise that people learn faster from shared experiences. PRISM will provide forum where marketing people across organizations would interact on a regular basis with each other for effective dissemination of information within and outside groups, which will ultimately lead to sharing of best practices across regions. Pharmaceutical marketing communication has multiple channels. We understand the communication between product management and the sales team in the cycle meetings. We also understand the communication between salesperson and the doctors during the joint calls. What we don't understand as well is the communication between doctor and the patient, and hence sometimes this is referred to as black box. I also call this as a moment of truth, as this understand forms the basis of our brand positioning. I believe deliberation through PRISM will help us exploring this moment of truth deeper and faster.
PRISM has helped the marketing teams pool in their resources together and thereby reduce marketing waste. When I refer to marketing waste, we not only talk about surplus inputs and inventories, we also talk about duplication of efforts and time spent by the marketing teams in creating their campaigns. If these are pooled in together, they get an opportunity to focus more on the brand, focus on consumer insights, and find out new avenues for growth. Thereby, the marketers can focus on the core of the brand.
Through mutual sharing of creative ideas, PRISM gives a deep insight of how brands are handled and marketed across different geographies. This, besides utilizing resources like cost and time effectively, also gives an opportunity to learn faster about brand nitty-gritties across geographies through mutual shared experiences. On a long term, I think PRISM is a good opportunity to synergize our efforts to build brand Glenmark.
The biggest learning out of this program which I received was, this is a very unique platform by which you come to know what are your colleagues doing across the globe. Glenmark is a very prominent known in the international pharmaceutical industry, having presence globally across the region. But what happens is, even though you are spread across different regions, and you have a similar kind of a product line across, but what happens is some things, some activities, some product campaigns, some unique campaigns which are driven in some of the markets, which have resulted in a significant contribution towards the organization, can be replicated across the region.
One of the focal points of PRISM has been to reduce the marketing waste. Through the help of technology today, we've created brand buckets, which enables any of our marketers sitting at any corner of the world to pool in their resources together and thereby free up their mind space, free up the time that they allocate in generating these inputs and focus it rather on the customer, focus it on working on the core of the brand.
Whenever, especially the guys from Asia, when they presented, especially on Candid and Scoril, we have the same products in different markets, and we have different strategies for the same products in different markets, and different strategies in different markets for the same brand are working wonderfully well. So it basically gives an opportunity to learn many good things about other strategies which other colleagues have adopted, and definitely it's a very good initiative. And whatever good new thing which we'll be doing in future, probably this is an excellent platform where we can actually share our new ideas to our colleagues, as well as we can learn more things from our different colleagues, what innovatively they have implemented, or what is the basic innovation they have done for different brands in different markets. I think it's a very good initiative, and for me, it's a learning resource for me. Yeah.
In the phase 1, we have done the PRISM meeting for Asia as well as Africa, Middle East. Phase 2, we're going to have for India region, Russia and CIS. And phase 3 next year, we'll have for Central Eastern Europe as well as Latin America.
Very good afternoon to all of you. I'm really excited to be a winner of this AME PRISM regional meet. I think this will be a good platform to share our exceptional work, to share our creative abilities, and moving forward benefit from mutual cooperation. I sincerely think this kind of meetings will enable us to take some of our key brands such as Ascoril, Relcer, Candid to the next level. Finally, I take this opportunity to thank respected judges to acknowledging my contribution. Thank you.
I wish PRISM and the marketing teams all the very best for the future.
Last but not the least, I would like to thank the organizing committee and would look forward to frequent and regular meet of PRISM.
Thank the HR for organizing this kind of an activity, where we got the platform to share as to what we have done with regards to our brand campaigns, what we have done, and as well as to know what our colleagues across the region are doing with similar or different kind of campaigns. And we definitely have learnt as to what probably things which can be imbibed or which we can further refine from making the different campaigns which we design a success.
I would urge each and every marketer to utilize this platform to share and learn the best practices and new ideas across the region. It is only with the cooperation from all the marketing employees across globe that we will be able to make this initiative a success. Wishing you all a happy learning and ideas exchange. All the best.